Hello Bladers! Ever heard of fleet vehicles? Well, in case you haven't, fleet vehicles are cars owned by corporations or commercial entities that were used by their employees. At times, old models are sold at cheap prices so they can buy newer models as compensation for their employees. However, the cheap price is usually attributed to a high mileage. In fact, it might have even been passed from one employee to the other, so we have to consider a lot of wear and tear. Given this, people usually ask if they are a good buy. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here we list down the pros and cons of buying fleet cars. The pros. Well, it's cheap. Of course, the most beneficial thing of buying a fleet car is that it is cheaper than other second-hand cars. Businesses are trying to dispose of them immediately, so they are selling it for a fraction of a price. It's well maintained. To keep the cars under warranty, they are mostly well maintained with complete regular periodic maintenance. This is an advantage if you are looking for a car that does not have any issues. The cons. The high mileage. The car was used for work purposes, so it was used all the time. As such, it usually has a high mileage. Given this, in the event that you want to dispose of it, it will have a low resale value. More wear and tear. Since the car was used almost every day, chances are it has more wear and tear than other second-hand cars. So better check on the car you are eyeing on thoroughly to see if the condition is really good. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some pros and cons you had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.